Today I'll show you data analysis without opening file. Yes, so if you do data analysis, if you can do data analysis without opening your Excel file, it will be a great thing. So in this video I'll show you how AI will be helpful to convert your data into HTML and to show your data analysis without opening the file. So this is just a small Excel file which I'm showing you. The data which I'm having is of gold showroom, the date on which customers are purchasing gold, gram of gold, selling price, the zone, north, east, west, south, mode of payment, revenue. This is what data I'm having. So what you have to do is you have to convert your Excel file into CSV format. So I'm converting this Excel file into CSV, as you can see in this video, and you can save this into your folder. And I'm keeping the name as gold showroom data. Now after this, we are not going to open this file, and without opening these files you can have all these charts, interpretations, all your data analysis will be ready. So what you have to do is as you can see this Excel data converted into CSV. Now you can go to Google, and in Google you can just type CSV to JSON. We have to convert our CSV file into JSON file. So I'm just typing in Google CSV to JSON, and the first link which you can see, click on this. It will prompt you. The first one is CSV to JSON. So I'm clicking on this CSV to JSON, choose file. So it will give you upload option, and you can upload the gold showroom data which we have saved file into folder. Within 2 seconds it will give you option to convert this data into JSON. So when you click convert, it will convert this into JSON. You can download this, and as your JSON file is also ready, copy this JSON file into the same folder where you have copied the CSV file. So I'm copying this, and I'm giving name like gold showroom data again. So let me save it, gold showroom. Now after this you can open your AI tool. You can use ChatGPT or you can use DeepSeek, anything. So I'm using DeepSeek. In last video I've used ChatGPT, but this time I'm showing it. Now as you can see this JSON file, just copy the sample data, any one row data, and you can paste it into the AI tool. After pasting your sample data, just write a prompt. I'm highlighting the prompt. This is the structure of my JSON format. Kindly understand the structure and give me any 5, 6, 7 depending upon your requirement. Suggest any 5 key. Rather than 5, let me write 7. I'll show you both. 5 key also, 7 key also, data visualization metrics, and that would be best fit to create interactive dashboard. Click on this, and within 5 seconds your AI tool will give you what are the 7 ways. Like number 1 is total revenue by region, profit margin by time, customers, those who are purchasing, sales distribution by payment mode, gold sales, item wise, sales representative performance, and the cost and selling price. So these are the 7 variables which I've asked this AI tool has given me. After this, copy the second prompt, and my second prompt is all these 7 data which I've asked, kindly convert this into HTML format. So by clicking on this, my CSV file and the 7 visualization which I've asked for will be converted into HTML format. So by clicking on this, within few seconds again you'll be getting this into HTML format. Remember, we need this into downloadable format. Yes, I'm highlighting this. This AI tool is already giving me download option, but in case some HTML are not able to download, so kindly put the third prompt, kindly provide this HTML into downloadable file. So after this prompt, I am just pasting this. The third prompt is provide this HTML in downloadable file, but I already have this download for this feature. So I click on this download. My HTML is ready. So I'm double click on this. The moment when I double click, the HTML will ask me put the JSON file. So the JSON file which we have saved in our folder, click on this and upload the JSON file. The moment when I click, it's ready, and now my dashboard is also ready. Click on generate dashboard and look at this. Without opening the Excel file, without opening this CSV format, I'm having this charts ready. Your interpretations are ready, and this charts interpretation you can bring it anywhere. You need not to open your Excel sheet. You need not to learn how many data are there. Even though there are 1 lakh data, 1 lakh cell, it will give you in just 5 minutes. So this is the second JSON file that I've asked 5 prompt rather than 7 prompt. So these are the 5 variables, and over here you can select region. So let's say there are 4 region: north, east, west, south. Items, there are so many items like gold chain, gold ring. So I can select over here. Let me select. I'll just give you 1 or 2 demo. So if I select gold ring, it will show me data from which zone highest number of rings are purchased: west, east, south, and north. So in south region, gold rings are highly purchased. These are my profit margin. In the month of March, there is highest number of profit which I won. The customer is called Tanvisha, has purchased highest number of rings, and Meena Patel, who is a sales representative, who has sold maximum number of gold ring. So this is a quick this data interpretation which this will be available. Now let me click on gold chain. Gold chain is highest sold in north zone, and my highest profit in the month of February, as you can see this on chart. And Rajesh Khanna is a sales representative who has sold maximum. So this is how you can see this. Thank you very much for the listening, and keep watching for the next video. Thank you so much.